In this module, we are going to dive into branches, a powerful feature of Git that allows you to work on different parts of your projects in parallel. Branches let you make changes without affecting the main code base, making collaborations and experimenting much easier. So, a branch in Git is essentially a separate workspace where you can make changes without touching the main branch, typically main or master. By default, when you first create a Git repository, you have only one branch, the main branch. In Git, branches help you work on new features, bug fixes, or experiments without affecting the main project. Once the feature is complete, you can merge then the branch back into the main branch. Now that we understand what branches are, let's start creating, switching, and deleting branches in Git. So be sure that you are inside the training Git folder, and let's create a new branch called, for example, feature readme updates or something. So for doing that, we're gonna run git branch feature readme updates, for example. And now we'll run git branch to see the branches we have. Now we have the git branch, we have the feature readme updates in the main, and the pointer, which is called the head, is pointing on the main branch. So in order to switch to our branch from the main to the new created branch, we're gonna use the command git. There is the command checkout, and the name of the updates. I misread. Yes, checkout this. So now we switch to the when we run git branch, we see that it's highlighted in the results. So now we are in the new created branch, which is called feature readme updates. Alternatively, we can use the switch git switch command, and we type in the name of the branch. So now we are in the main branch. So now we're gonna create, so modify a file on the new branch, which is the okay, like this, clear git branch. So now we are in this branch. So we are going to modify this by, for example, type in this section was added in. Okay, it's here's a demo. We're going to add another line, which is updates on feature branch. So this section was added in the new branch. Going to save the file. So now we're going to add the readme file and commit git commit the file updated readme in new branch, for example. Okay, so we have added the changes to the staging area and committed them to the feature readme updates branch. So now, once we are done with a branch, we may want to delete it, okay, to keep things clean. So we're going to, because we can't delete it while we are on it. Like, so first of all, we have to git switch to the main branch. And then, so now, by the way, I forgot to tell you, in VS Code, you're going to see this, like this M here means that the file is modified. If it's U, means it's untracked, etc. Okay. So now we're going to delete the command with the branch using git branch with the flag d and the name of the branch. So this d flag deletes the branch if the branch contains unmerged changes. Git will warn you if you are sure you can use the okay, so I write it, I guess. Okay, so let's git branch and we're going to copy and paste it. So okay, let's write it. Git branch d paste. So it's not fully merged. So if you are sure you want to delete it, run git branch d feature. So now we'll see git branch. It's not deleted yet. We'll try to run with the flag like this. So the branch is deleted, and now if we check, we'll find that we have only the main branch. So now that we deleted the branch, the added line was deleted from the file. That means that the changes that were done in the branch are deleted. Okay, so now let's take a look at how to merge branches back into the main branch and what happens when conflicts occur. So let's simulate a conflict. I will create a new branch called feature new section, and I will switch to this branch. Okay. So now that we are in this branch, okay, we'll modify the readme file. So I have here prepared the text to not wasting time. We will save the changes. So I have written here new section. This section was added in the future new section branch. Now after saving the file, so it's modified, we go into add it to the staging, and then we go into commits by typing added new section in feature new section branch. Okay, cool. Now we are going to switch to the main branch. Check out main. Okay, now we are in the main. So as you see here, the code is changed to the code that there is that we have in the readme file in the state of the branch main. We are going now to add this, for example, new section from main branch. This section was added in the main branch. I'm going to save the file, add it to the staging area, and then commits with for example saying added new section in main branch. Okay, cool. Now we are going to merge the feature new section into the main. So let's run the following command, which is git merge feature new section. Now here Git will attempt to merge the two branches. Since we have made changes to the same file in both branches, Git will detect a conflict. So to resolve this, we're gonna resolve it manually. So here in the VS Code, we are seeing that the code between this and this is the code that is from the main branch, which is the main, which the head pointer points to, while this code from this to to here is the code that was in the feature new section branch. So in order to resolve this, we're going to manually delete this. Okay, like this, I guess. Cool. The section was added from. Okay, and now we are going to Control S, and then we're going to git add. By the way, instead of writing all the name, we can just type point. This means that we are trying to add every file that is situated in this directory we are working with. So now we're going to commit by git commit and resolved merge conflict between main and new branch. So now it's solved. Okay, now there is it's updated in VS Code. So in order to understand like what happened here is that like this image shows. So you were working with the main branch, and here is the new branch that we works with. So it's like we merged. It's that we merged between the two. It's like this. So we were working here in the main. We created a new branch, and these features are merged to the main feature. So we got this in the end, and we did that manually. So that's it about merging. In the next module, we will explore remote repositories like GitHub and how to collaborate with others. Stay tuned. See you there.